In this second exercise, you will create an HTML file including audio and video. We will follow the instructions on learn.newcam.co that you're seeing here. The very first step is for you to open a command prompt or a terminal if you have a Mac. You can do that by typing command here and then using cd get to your desktop, then the Newcam folders, and then the folder for this course, which is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. From here, you're going to call code, and remember space dot, meaning I want to open code in this folder. Visual Studio remembers the files that you had opened last time and brings you to that location and that file. We're not going to work on that file today. We're going to create a new one. So I'm going to close it. And then I'm going to create another file and save it. Let me check again the name for that file. Week 1 audio video. Week 1 audio video, and the type will be HTML. All right. Now let's type the HTML code for this week's exercise. Now let's type in the HTML code for this week's exercise, starting with doctype. The HTML code, then the head, the title, the meta tag, and after that the body. What you probably want to do is save your file regularly so that you won't lose it. There we go. Now you may get tired of typing. It's always a good thing to type, but sometimes you actually want to copy and paste. So let me do that here. Let me copy that line. There we go. And I will type the rest. Now, copy and pasting can sometimes lead to bugs. The problem with it is sometimes when you copy and paste, you don't know that you're carrying over characters that are not correct characters. And sometimes those characters are hidden on the page, especially if it's an HTML page like that. So as much as possible, I will avoid copying and pasting. But if you do, let me actually show you a trick on how to make sure that you're not going to carry invalid characters when you're copying and pasting. So let me show you that. Let me now grab this line. Control C is what I use to copy, but then instead of copying it directly or pasting it directly in Visual Studio Code, I'm going to open a plain text editor like Notepad on PC. What a plain text editor does, it's removing any formatting or any invisible character whatsoever. So once I paste the line of code here, I know that line of code has any invisible character removed. Now I copy it again and I can safely paste it here. So let me save now. And what we'll do like the last time is we'll open that file in Explorer. So here. And here is the final output of the file.
In this house, we obey the laws of thermodynamics.
And it seems to be working pretty fine. All right, that concludes the second exercise. Your turn now. Good luck.